In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Zoom to ChatGPT. Connecting Zoom with ChatGPT allows you to integrate your workflow more efficiently by giving ChatGPT access to supported Zoom features through the available app integration. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the entire process slowly so you can follow each step with confidence. Even if your interface looks slightly different, the overall process remains very similar. To begin, open ChatGPT and sign into your account if you haven't already. Once you're on the main ChatGPT screen, move your cursor to the bottom left corner of the window. Here you'll find your profile button, which typically displays your avatar or account initials. Click on your profile to open the account menu. From the menu that appears, select Settings. This opens the Settings panel, where you can manage your account preferences, workspace options, and available integrations. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the menu on the left side of the Settings window. Next, locate the section labeled Apps and click on it. This area is dedicated to applications and services that can be connected with ChatGPT. It's where you'll find available integrations that help extend ChatGPT's capabilities and improve your overall workflow. Once you're inside the Apps section, click Explore Apps, or, if your interface displays a different label, select Add More. Both options take you to the app catalog, where you can browse the available integrations. At the top of the app catalog, you'll see a search field. Click inside the search box, type Zoom, and then press Enter to search for the application. After a few moments, the Zoom app should appear in the search results. Select the Zoom app and click the Connect button. This starts the authorization process required to link your Zoom account with ChatGPT. Depending on your account, you may be asked to sign into Zoom and review the permissions being requested. Carefully read each prompt before continuing, then follow the on-screen instructions to authorize the connection. If a confirmation window appears during the process, keep the browser tab open until the setup finishes completely. Closing the window too early may interrupt the connection process, so allow it to complete before moving on. After the authorization is complete, you'll automatically return to ChatGPT. The Zoom app should now display as connected within the Apps section. If your screen doesn't match this tutorial exactly, don't worry. Interface layouts can change over time, but the overall process remains the same. Open your profile, go to Settings, select Apps, explore the app catalog, search for Zoom, click Connect, and complete the authorization prompts. That's all there is to it. You've successfully connected Zoom to ChatGPT, and you're ready to start using the integration. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel,